Segment sponsored by Eastman Credit Union. As the weather warms up, many homeowners start planning repairs and renovation projects. Unfortunately, that also means an increase in home improvement scams and fraudulent contractors. Today, we're talking about how these scams work, how you can avoid becoming a victim, and joining us is Michael McConnell from Eastman Credit Union to share what homeowners should watch out for. Michael, thank you so much for joining us this morning. How are you doing?
Good, good. Thank you for having us.
What kind of home improvement scams are we talking about here?
Typically this time of year when storms hit certain areas, there is homeowners that get door-to-door salespeople. Scammers trying to sell them on repairs to their home, such as roof damage, cracked driveways, and then once they make the payment to that scammer, the money is gone, and oftentimes the work is either done poorly or not done at all.
Now, what signs can we look for in a contractor that, that contractor may not be legitimate?
Yeah. Oftentimes it's high pressure sales, homeowners that hear people say this offer is only good through today, and then oftentimes they will ask for a cash up front, large deposits up front, or they ask for cash only payments.
And what are some steps that homeowners can do, when they're preparing to hire someone for a project?
Oh, absolutely. Often homeowners need to do their homework. They need to find out the research on the contractor that's visiting their home, make sure that they're checking references, check their own references, not just the references from the contractor, and make sure they check around with Better Business Bureaus as well as just any type of reviews, and make sure they do get a written estimate up front from that contractor.
And I've heard of contractors asking for the full amount of the project up front. Is that a concern?
That is a concern. That should be a red flag to any homeowner if they ask for the full amount up front. Now, a lot of legitimate homeowners, contractors will ask for a down payment up front, maybe a deposit up front to get the work started or to get on their schedule, but 100% payment up front should be a red flag to any homeowner.
What advice can Eastman Credit Union give to our viewers that are getting ready to start a project?
Do your homework.
Okay.
Make sure that you are checking all the references. Check with friends, family, neighbors that has also had some home projects done and see who they've used for the specialty products that you're looking to do at your home, and make sure that you do get a written estimate up front, and just make sure that you are checking everything that you need to do and do your homework up front.
Let's say somebody thinks they've already been targeted by a fraudulent contractor. What can they do? What steps can they take?
Yeah, first thing they probably need to do is check with their financial institution. Make sure that their accounts haven't been compromised. If they have, they can take actions through their financial institutions to make sure that they protect themselves. Also, they can report that scammer to the Tennessee Bureau of Consumer Affairs or the FTC. A home project should be something exciting to the homeowner. It should be something you're looking forward to improve the value of your home and do a project you want to do. It shouldn't be a headache and a stressful situation. So make sure you take your time, be patient, and do your homework up front.
All right, Michael McConnell, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Eastman Credit Union has some great information they would love to share for you. We got all of that information on how you can reach them right there on the screen. The preceding segment sponsored by Eastman Credit Union.